In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness templates in Anytype to speed up your workflow. If you find yourself creating the same kinds of pages over and over again, templates can save you a lot of time and help keep your workspace consistent. Instead of rebuilding the same structure each time, you can create it once and reuse it whenever you need it. To get started, open the Anytype app and navigate to the set or object type where you want to use a template. This is important because templates are usually tied to the type of content you're working with, so you'll want to be in the right place before creating one. Once you're there, look near the top right area of your space for the template menu option. Depending on your layout, you may also see a plus button next to the template section. Click either of these to access the template tools. This is where you'll begin building something reusable for future pages. Next, choose the option to create a new template. When prompted, give your template a clear and recognizable title. A good title makes it much easier to identify later, especially if you plan to create several templates for different purposes. Try to name it based on the kind of page it will generate. After that, begin designing your template. Add the default headings, text blocks, media, and any specific relations you use repeatedly. This is the core of the process. Think about the structure you normally need when starting a new page and include those elements now so they appear automatically every time you use the template. The more thoughtfully you build it, the smoother your future workflow will be. When your layout is ready, save the design. If this is the format you want to use most often, you can also toggle the option to set it as the default. That means Anytype will automatically load this template whenever you create a new item in that set, which can make your process even faster and more consistent. Finally, test everything by creating a new page and clicking on your new template. You should see all of your saved formatting load instantly. This is the best way to confirm that your headings, blocks, media, and relations are all working as expected. That's all it takes to build custom templates and keep your Anytype workspace organized. Once you've set up a few strong templates, creating new content becomes much quicker and much more streamlined. Thanks for watching.